Candace is an oncologist specializing in the treatment of breast cancer. Recently, she performed a lumpectomy of 5 different patients. The lumpectomy removed the cancerous tumor. Here were the sizes of the tumors that she removed: 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 1 centimeter, and 4 centimeters. What is the mean size of the cancer removed from the patients? So, to solve this problem, we first need to understand the mathematical word mean. Mean is the average of the numbers and to find the mean, we add up all the numbers, count the total number of samples being researched, and 3, divide by the total number of samples. So, let us now go back to our problem. So, we have 2, 3, 5, 1, and 4. We're going to add up all these numbers together. So 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 5 is 10, plus the 1 is 11, plus 4 is 15. So now we've added up all the numbers. We notice there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers of samples. So we now take our 15 and divide by the number of samples, which would be 5. So 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. So now 3 is our mean size of the cancer removed from the patients. So let's look at another example here. Lorraine is a medical microbiologist studying the effect of radiation therapy on stage 4 breast cancer. Here is the data for each sample that Lorraine has studied today: -2, 5, -1, -3, 8, 4, and 3. What is the mean for the change in breast cancer cells due to radiation therapy? So for this problem, we're going to have to pay close attention because we're now working with integers because we have negative numbers. So to do this, we could just add up all the negative numbers first, and then we add up all the positive numbers, and then we combine and we add those together. So let's do that. So we have -2 minus 1 minus 3. This is equal to -6. Now we have the positive numbers, which is 5 plus 8 plus 4 plus 3. So 5 plus 8 is 13, plus 4 is 17, plus 3 is 20. So now we have 20 minus 6, which is equal to 14. So this is the total number of all the samples added together. Now let's count how many samples we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now we would go 14 divided by 7, which is equal to the mean, which is 2. So our mean is 2 for this problem. So when finding the mean of a set of numbers, you're just looking for the average. You can find the average by adding up the total number and then dividing it by the number of samples.